Okay viewers, we're now leaving Pier 66 en route to the airport hotel in Seattle, Tacoma International Airport. We're gonna stay there in the hotel there. Beautiful weather today. Jogging. There you go. They're waiting for the rides here. Green light. Green to go. Pier 66. Goodbye Norwegian cruise, please. See you next time. Here are people here. Beautiful place, beautiful weather. Yeah. It's a Pier 66 Marina. Speed limit here is 25 miles per hour. Compared to Canada, 25 kilometers per hour. Ito ang pinaka Baywalk para sa Pilipinas, parang Luneta. Baywalk, Ross Boulevard, Seattle Aquarium here. Your airport's newly renovated Washington. Alas lang po Reward up to 1,000. No completion required. Help us stop crime. Women Anonymous.
Daddy,
Mm-hmm.
give me your ID. Daddy.
Oh, sorry. Fix an engine. Shuttle time. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. Turn on red. Aquarium very finer square. Taxi in front of us. Seattle Aquarium. Oh, Ferris wheel. Miners Landing. Fisherman's. Salmon Cooper Restaurant and Bar. Pier 56 na tayo, or Pier 56, Pier 55, and Pier 54 here. Best dogs in town.
66.
Beautiful weather here. Skate burger. Okay. We'll stop for now and then play again later. Thank you for watching.